Good morning, friends. I am Nilesh Nindane from Shanti Niketan International School. Today, I am going to teach you a drawing which is a nature drawing like this way. Okay, for this you need sketch pens, watercolors, different sizes brush, water, cloth and a white drawing sheet. So let's begin with it. First of all, I am taking 3 mm brush and a dark green color. Mix it properly like this way and punch on your drawing book like this. Like this way you have to punch it. Make a shape of a tree. It is not too hard, it is too easy, for only you have to need a practice. Make a shape. I am using one green color which is a dark green color, and same brush you can use it for the grass like this way. From the bottom you have to use a strokes of a brush. It's look like a grass. Okay, now take the another color which is yellow. Again you have to mix it properly and put the stroke of yellow color on your drawing book. Punch it properly. Like this way you have to punch. Okay. And then afterward take a black marker and make a branches with this black marker. Like this way you have to make up branches on your drawing paper. Roots. Now color this properly. Insert all the black color in between the gaps which is given by you, drawn by you. So it's look very pretty. Like this way you have to make a branches, small branches like this way. Make it over there. And there is also a birds in a nature. So I am drawing a birds like this way over here. Okay. In this way my drawing is complete. Just like that you have to draw the color with only a punching. I hope you all like this my drawing and we make in your home. Okay, thank you.